What's up, guys, and welcome back to our channel, and happy Sunday. We are at CVS on a Sunday. I feel like it has been a long time since I have been to the store on a Sunday, and that is just because of my little ones. The baby, it is so rough to leave the house. Like, I had to nurse him before I got ready, and I had to nurse him after I was done ready, just so I know that he would be okay for the time that I'm out here filming and all of that. So let's not waste any time. Let's go into the store, even though I did waste a couple of minutes, because when I walked out, I was like, let's go save some money, even though I had just spent money. I found my package outside. I ordered some stuff from Disney, from Shop Disney, and it just made me so happy. I ended up getting this cute little bag, which is so adorable. And I know you guys are thinking, like, Carla, we're here to save money, right? But I did save money because I ended up using a promo code for having a Disney Visa card. Plus, I used Rakuten. And that one was, when you spend $30, you get $30 back, and that's a sign-up bonus. But, you know, I just created another account to get the sign-up bonus. So it ended up being only like $12 for the bag, and it's originally $50. Like, I will take that. I will take that. If you guys aren't familiar with Rakuten, I'll have the link in the bio if you guys want to sign up. Because if you're shopping online, just 10 out of 10 recommend using it. You just literally log on to your Rakuten account, search wherever you're gonna shop online, and then it gives you like cash back. Sometimes it's as low as 1%, which, I mean, something is something. It's better than nothing. And then other times they'll have bonuses. They'll have like boosted cash back. Like sometimes they'll offer like 12%, which I think the Shop Disney was 12% that day. So I was like really excited I knew what was in the bag, so I was like really excited. I was trying to rush over here to CVS just so I can open it and see it. I think it's so cute. But all right, guys, that is enough of my rant. Like I said, let's not waste any time. Let's go into the store, do all the super easy digital deals of the week. We have some good ones, we have some fun ones, we have one freebie, which I'm hoping my store has the razors, fingers crossed. And if you guys didn't know, I do share all the easy digital deals over on Instagram and Facebook now, because I know a lot of you say you don't have Instagram. Hopefully you guys have Facebook. You guys can see the written breakdowns there, because I no longer do the Google Docs, but I do the written breakdowns on Instagram and Facebook. I can also share them here on the community tab, which I will do possibly later on Monday, you know, later on in the week. But like I said, you guys can go over to Instagram and Facebook just to check out those written breakdowns if you need them. Other than that, that is going to be all, and let's go into the store. Remember, all you need is the CVS app. All you need is to create an account, deals and rewards section. If you don't have any extra bucks because it's your first time couponing, you're just going to pay a small out of pocket, but then you're going to earn those extra bucks, and then you can start using them on other deals. You use the extra bucks that you earned to pay for another deal, and then you earn them right back. So super easy method, guys. Like I said, just think about it as an investment. If it's your first time couponing, you'll pay a little more, but you'll get those extra bucks right back. You can also sign up for the Care Pass. It is completely free for the first month, and you'll get a free $10 in extra bucks, which you can start for, you know, your couponing. And then if you keep it, it's going to be $5 a month, or if you do the year, I think it's $48 or $49 the year. And then you get a $10 extra buck every single month, plus you get like free shipping. You get 20% off the CVS stuff items. Like, it has some good benefits. I normally don't mention it because people don't like subscriptions and all of that, but I definitely 10 out of 10 recommend. Now, when I say no more wasting time, I feel like that's when I waste the most time. But all right, guys, let's go to the store. Let me show you these deals that we got this week. Okay, everyone, let's start off with a Dove deodorant deal. Now, we did some Dove deodorant last week. It could have been better this week if we would have still had the digitals, but I don't think most of us have it. If you do have the 4 off of 2 Dove deodorant digital coupon, then you can definitely use it on this scenario that I'm going to show now. So the Dove this week is on special, buy one get one 50% off, and when you buy 4, you are going to get a $10 extra buck. So we're going to be picking up 4 of these that are $5.99. Now, breaking this down, it is going to be $5.99 times 1.5, bringing us to $8.98 for 2, but we're grabbing 4, so it's going to be times 2, making it $17.97 for all 4. Now, using no coupons, this is going to be our subtotal. This is what you're going to pay if you don't have any extra bucks. But if you have extra bucks, go ahead and use a $10 extra buck, since that's what we're going to get back, making it $7.97 for all 4. which is $1.99 each. So definitely a great deal just like that. But like I said, if you have that $4 off 2 digital coupon, minus 4 makes it $3.97 for all 4, which would be 99 cents each. I also shared this scenario here. If you still have the $4 off 2 digital coupon for the Dove Men products, you can grab 2 Dove Men deodorants with 2 of the women's ones. So you're gonna grab 2 men, 2 women, use both of those digital coupons, and it's gonna end up only being a couple of cents for each deodorant after our extra bucks and those digital coupons. But like I mentioned, most of us probably used them last week, so it's okay. But $1.99 for each of these is definitely not a bad deal. Next, we have a diaper deal, and I feel like it's the same deal that we've been doing week to week. The Huggies are on special this week, 2 for $21, and when you spend $20, you are gonna get $5 in extra bucks. We are gonna be picking up one of these Huggy packs and a pack of pull-ups. For our Huggies, we're going to be using a $2 off 1 digital coupon, and for our pull-ups, we're also going to be using a $2 off 1 digital coupon. Now breaking this down, it is $21 for both of these, minus our $4 in digital coupons is going to bring us to $17. We are going to then get our $5 in extra bucks, making it only $12 for 2, which is going to be $6 each. Next deal, we have the U by Kotex liners, one of my favorite deals. They are buy one get one 50% off, and when you buy 2, you're going to get $2 in extra bucks. We are going to be picking up 2 of these small liner packs, no coupons needed. Our total for both is going to be $2.68. We're then going to get $2 back in extra bucks, making it only 68 cents for both of these. So when you're at the register, you can use the $2 and extra bucks to pay, since that's what we're getting back. Now remember guys, the Epic Beauty event is going on now, so you are going to want to do some beauty deals. That way at the end, you're going to get 10% back on all the beauty deals that you did during this time. So we're going to be doing some CoverGirl this week. They are buy 2 and get a $6 extra buck this week. I'm going to be picking up one of these pressed powders for $7.59 and one of these eyebrow pencils for $5.59. We are going to be using a $2 off 1 digital coupon for each of these here. So now breaking this down, it is a $7.59 for our pressed foundation plus $5.79 for our eyebrow pencil. That is going to bring us to $13.38. We are going to subtract $4 in digital coupons. That'll bring us to $9.38. This is what we're going to pay if we don't have any extra bucks. But if you have extra bucks, go ahead and use a $6 extra buck, since that's what we're going to get back, making it $3.38 for both of these, which is going to be $1.69 each. Another beauty deal that we're going to be doing is going to be on the Neutrogena makeup wipes. So these this week are going to be buy 1 get 1 40% off, and when you buy 2, you're going to get $2 back. Now this is very important. You need to make sure that you're grabbing the wipes that are in the cosmetic display. So this one here is a cosmetic display, not the facial one. So make sure you're grabbing the ones that are here. They are $7.29. We're going to grab 2, and we have a $3 off 1 digital coupon plus a $1 off 1 digital coupon, and this week we all should have got this $2 off 1 CRT. So we're going to be using all of those. Now breaking this down, it is going to be $7.29 times 1.6. That is going to make it $11.66 for both of these. We're going to subtract our $3 digital, our $1 digital, and subtracting our $2 CRT. That'll bring us to $5.66 for both. That is what you're gonna pay if you don't have extra bucks. But if you have extra bucks, go ahead and use a $2 extra bucks, since that's what we're getting back, making it $3.66 for both of them, which is going to be $1.83 each. Next, we have 2 razor deals that I do not get to do. 1, because I did the deal last week, and 2, my store isn't great enough to carry the product on one of them. But the deal last week for the Gillette was buy 2 and get a $10 extra buck. It is the same deal this week. You can do it again this week if you want to, but we do not have the digital coupons anymore if you did it last week. So it is the exact same breakdown. Buy 2, get a $10 extra buck. You're gonna want to grab the cheaper ones that are $9.49, the Venus and the Mach 3. It ends up being only $1.49 each after using the $3 off of 1 digital coupon for each. But like I said, I did that last week, so I don't have the digitals anymore. If you have paper coupons, you can use paper coupons. This is a really good razor deal. I hadn't seen it in a while, and we just got it back to back. So I don't know what you're doing, CVS. Why are you doing it back to back if I don't have digitals for it? Next one is going to be on the Gillette disposables. These are buy 1 get 1 50% off this week, and when you buy 2, you get $4 in extra bucks. Now there are some Venus razors, the disposable razors, that are $3.99. My store doesn't have it, but I have seen some people with their stores that do have it, and it would be a complete freebie for 2 packs of those disposable razors if yours does. So the pack is going to be $3.99, buy one get one 50% off, and we're going to use a $2 digital. You end up paying about $3.98. You're going to get $4 back in extra bucks for buying the 2, making it completely free. Now we're gonna do our laundry deal. We have spend 30 and get a $10 extra buck this week. I'm gonna grab some Tide Pods for $5.49. I'm gonna grab a Downy Unstoppables, also $5.49. Now your choice here if you wanna grab some Tide Pods or a Tide Liquid. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a Tide Liquid for $12.99. And lastly, I'm gonna be grabbing some Febreze. These are $4.99 and buy one get one 50% off. So I'm gonna grab 2 of these. So here are all of our items. Now we're gonna be opening up the CVS app and we're gonna be using a $3 off 1 digital for our Tide Laundry, a $1 off 1 digital for our Downy Unstoppables, a 1 off 1 digital for our Tide Pods, and a $3.30 off when you buy 2 Febreze. Now breaking this down, it is going to be $12.99 plus $5.49 times 2 plus $4.99 times 1.5. That is going to bring us to $31.47 for all of this here, but we are going to be using our digitals, the $3 off for the Tide, the $1 for the Tide Pods, the $1 for the Downy Unstoppables, and then the $3.30 for our Febreze. That is going to bring us to $23.15. That is what you're going to pay if you don't have any extra bucks. But if you have extra bucks, go ahead and use a $10 extra buck to pay, since that's what we're going to get back, making it only $13.15 for all of this here. I think this is going to be our last deal. We have the Cottonelle on sale this week, 2 for $10, and when you spend $20, you are going to get a $5 extra buck. Now you can mix and match this deal however you want. You can get toilet paper, and you can get the Cottonelle flushable wipes. So you can do 2 and 2, 3 and 1, or grab 4 of just 1. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and grab 4 of these Cottonelle wipes, and I'm gonna be using a $1 off 1 digital that we have for these. So however you mix and match, just make sure you have one of these so that you can use that digital. So this one's super easy here. The 4 packs that I grabbed, it is $20 for all 4 minus our $1 digital. Leaves us to pay $19, but we are gonna roll $5 in extra bucks since that's what we're getting back, making it $14 for all 4, which is going to be $3.50 each. Okay guys, this one is random, but I have this $3 off of 10 snack CRT, and I saw that these are buy 5 and get 5 free, and these are buy 2 and get the 3rd free. So I was like, you know what? I was like, let's use that CRT. Let's grab some snacks for the kids. So I'm just gonna show you guys the math. These are $1.49 and these are all $1.99. Now I'm only gonna do $1.49 for 5 since the other 5 are gonna be free, and $1.99 for 2 since 1 is gonna be free. Now the reason why I'm gonna do it that way is because the free ones don't count for your subtotal. So with grabbing 10 of these, I am not at the $10 mark to use that CRT, which is why I'm grabbing these. So breaking it down, it is a $1.49 for 5 plus $1.99 times 2 brings us to $11.43 minus our $3 CRT. That is all I'm going to use, making it $8.43 for all of our snacks here, which is quite a lot. We got 10 of these and 3 of those, so that's 13 snacks. Makes it 64 cents each. Okay, this is definitely going to be our last deal. We have certain chocolate bars. They're on sale 2 for 2, and this week we all got a CRT that you're going to save $1 when you buy 2. So it ends up making it $1 for both, which is 50 cents each. All right guys, I am now in the car, and that took much longer than expected, but honestly guys, going back and forth between like taking pictures, posting on different platforms is exhausting. It's so exhausting, but we got some good deals, and I did the candy. So I got all that candy that I showed you guys. I have it all in this bag, all these goodies. I did this deal first, and I ended up using my 2% extra bucks, the ones that are always like a couple of cents and then it adds up. So I had like $6 there. So I only ended up paying like about $4 and some change for everything for the candy. And then I got a $10 off of a 70 purchase CRT for doing that transaction. So I originally had a 4 off of 40, but I was like, okay, bye, 4 off of 40, because now I have a 10 off of 70. And I knew with all the deals with the laundry, the Cottonelle, the CoverGirl, the Neutrogena, and the Dove, I knew I was well at the $70 mark. So I ended up using that CRT and everything went perfect, except you guys already know it is not Karlasavings if she does not miss clipping one coupon. I swear, I think I got distracted with the candy. I forgot to clip the Cottonelle. And it's always, it is always the toilet paper deals. Always the toilet paper that I forget to clip the coupons, like always guaranteed. Hopefully I will not make that mistake going forward anymore. But I just forgot to use that digital. Other than that, all of my digitals went through. The Tide Pods, Downy, Febreze, CoverGirl, Neutrogena, both of them. And that CRT. I used that 10 off of 70 and I rolled $33 in extra bucks. Plus I had a 25% off total purchase, which saved me $1. I wonder if it would have saved me more if I wouldn't have used any extra bucks, but then that out of pocket would have been way higher. So I don't think it would have been worth it. But yeah, so all in all, I guess that saved 25% off, saved my $1 since I didn't clip the Cottonelle. So all in all, my subtotal for 17 items was $32.12. I saved a total of $90.31, an average of 74% in savings. So definitely great, definitely better than 50%. It was some good savings, some good deals. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of these deals, which deals you're excited to do. And if you guys are not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. If not, thanks for stopping by and we will see you guys in our next video. Bye. Thanks so much for watching.